Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you would like to remove you may like suggestion on TikTok, today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So for that, you will need to launch your TikTok application. Also make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Tap onto your profile, you will see a page like this. Here tap on three-bar icon, select settings and privacy. And here you have to select activity center. Tap on watch history and delete all of these. You can go ahead and filter by date, click on all dates, click apply, select, delete. And just like so, click on search history and also select all of these one by one and then delete all of these. Delete. Now go back, click on free up space and clear the cache. And just like so, you may go ahead and use your TikTok. Now the you may like suggestions will not appear because you have deleted everything that you are used to seeing in TikTok.